Hello everyone. I am gonna give some information about My Mercury, which is the education system that our school prepared for us. There are many modules in My Mercury, like recorded lessons, quiz area, and homework area. First, let's start from homework area. We can see the homework sent by our teacher from these modules and returned to our teachers. And when we open this module, there will be a page that shows the homework. Then click the homework that you need to do. Then click the attachment and choose a file. Lastly, click Submit Assignment button. Our teacher can give us an online exam, so enter the exam module. When the exam time comes, click the Active button. Then there will be some questions that you need to solve. Here is the time remaining for quiz. You can answer the questions from left side of the screen. When exam finish, click Complete the exam button. You can see your results from My Results button. Just click My Results. We can use recorded courses at My Mercury to watch a lesson that we do not understand. Just click Recorded Lessons module. Let's try English. There are some subjects and topics, and some videos that
Hello
you can
everyone.
watch.
Welcome to 6th grade Power Up People's Book Unit 1. In this unit, we're going to learn how to use adjectives and adjectives with prepositions.
And don't forget, when downloading the My Mercury application, be sure to give access permissions. If you are not giving access permissions, notifications will not come and you cannot use some modules.